Yes, some big news that we're tracking. Cops lathi charge protesters in Panchkula, Haryana. Dozens of farm protesters in police custody. Farmers were protesting delay in paddy purchase. Cops allege that farmers tried to run over them by tractors. Here's visuals that we get here. We're looking at a huge cops crackdown. A lathi charge on protesters in Panchkula, Haryana. Dozens of farm protesters there in police custody. Currently, farmers were protesting delay in paddy purchase, paddy procurement. Cops allege that these farmers tried to run over them with their tractors. Here you're seeing visuals coming in and eventually led to a police lathi charge. We're seeing hectic protests in Haryana and Panchkula where farmers are protesting against the delay in paddy procurement. Here is a lathi charge that's taken place. The police there also detaining a bunch of the farmers who were protesting vehemently against the delay in paddy procurement, paddy purchase. Here you have the police accusing these farmers who are protesting of trying to run over them using their tractors. This is a visual that we get right here. One of the tractor that you see trying to supersede a barricade that's placed only to block those protesting farmers. But it appears farmers who are angry trying to make their way through. Here you have the farmers who've been protesting for close to 9 months, remember, along the border areas of Delhi. At a time like this, several pop-up protests there taking place in Haryana where they're protesting against delay in paddy procurement. This is a protest that's been on for months now. And now with the delay in paddy procurement, further riling up the farmer unions who are protesting vehemently against the farm laws as well as the delay in paddy procurement. Here you see tense scenes in Panchkula. Let me cut across to Manjeet for more on that. Manjeet, do take us through exactly what has happened there. We believe that the police who are trying to stop those protesting farmers, they've placed barricades, but we see a visual there where farmers using their tractors to mow down those barricades that are placed to block them. Police accusing the farmers, protesting farmers, of trying to use force and using their tractors to literally run over them. What's the fact on ground?
Well, Nabila, this place is Chandi Mandir Toll Plaza, where farmers were protesting against the union government's decision to defer the procurement of paddy for 10 days. These farmers were protesting when police barricaded this area. Meanwhile, some of the farmers even tried to overrun the cops who are on duty. We can also see in the visuals the farmers riding the tractors were trying to remove the barricading, and the policemen were trying to stop them. So some of the policemen and even some protesters have been injured in this incident, and police also resorted to a cane charge to disperse the farmers. This is not only in Panchkula but at various places in Haryana, be it Kurukshetra or Karnal. Besides, in Punjab, farmers protested against the union government. They've been demanding that the paddy procurement should be started immediately as the crop has been harvested. Some of the farmer unions have even termed the decision as anti-farmer and a conspiracy to harass the farmers who have already been protesting against the three contentious farm laws.
Right, Manjeet, I'd like to ask you what exactly has led to the delay in the paddy purchase. We know that farmers are desperate to sell off their produce, and right now it's season time and they're wanting to sell off their produce at the earliest before it rots. And here they accuse the government of not procuring it in time. What has really led to the delay? Why is the government not purchasing as yet?
Well, Nabila, usually the paddy procurement starts from 1st of October, but this time it has been deferred till 11th of October following the delayed monsoon. Government officials say that there is a moisture in the grains, that is why the farmers should postpone the harvesting their crops. So this is what the union government has told. But meanwhile, the state government, the chief minister, of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar, is heading to New Delhi to appeal to the union government authorities to start the procurement, as there is a resentment among the farming community. In Punjab as well, the Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi yesterday met Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also discussed the paddy procurement. So farmers are adamant and saying that they have already harvested the crop and they will be in a loss if rains continued, and that is why they have started protesting today. Even some of the farmer leaders like Gurnam Singh Chuduni of Haryana has also threatened to gherav the JJP and BJP MLAs if the procurement is not started. Navila?
Well, and that's what we see here. We're looking at 10 scenes also coming in from right outside the house of BJP MLA Aseem Goyal in Haryana's Ambala. Farmers there have geared out BJP MLA's house to protest against the delay in crop procurement. Protesters say that protests will continue until the government starts paddy procurement. This is here, Ambala, yet another massive protest that's currently ensuing. Tense scenes outside the house of BJP MLA Aseem Goyal in Haryana's Ambala. Farmers have geared out BJP MLA's house to protest the delay in crop procurement. Protesters say that protests to continue until the government starts paddy procurement. In fact, Sukhbir Badal says Channi government shouldn't shirk from responsibility and should direct state agencies to start paddy purchase immediately.